Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be attempting to do makeup while I expose myself. So I'm going to be exposing by the way, this is my makeup. This is how you know I don't know what I'm doing. Everything makeup related that I have is right here. So you already know I'm a beginner for real. So I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just like going with the flow. So yeah, so I'm gonna be exposing myself today and my toxic traits. If you watch this video and you feel like you have some toxic traits that any of my toxic traits inspired you to think about, let me know in the comments. So my first toxic trait is that I always try to help people. Like, I help people too much. I'm always trying to help people, which is not a bad trait to have. It's just that I try to help people that don't want my advice. Yeah, that's the problem. Like, my advice only works on people that want to be receptive to the advice. So I feel like my advice would be super useful if I could give advice to people that wanted my help, which is like a weird thing about me, because I don't like when people give me advice unless I ask. But like, I'm trying to find a balance between, by the way, I don't know what I'm doing. All the makeup gurus, do not come for me. Please do not come for me.
Just angling my brow upwards slightly, and I can see a lot of baby hairs there, which I want to get rid of. So I'm getting really closely inside. You want to make sure that you're getting...
Right.
Oh my god. Chris!
But I'm trying to find a balance between, like, because I don't ever want to be that friend that didn't tell you like important information, like, oh, I knew something about this person was off. So it's like, I'm trying to find a balance between being a good friend and like telling people when I feel like something is off, and just letting things happen. Because that's the weird thing about me. I'll literally I try to make it so that people can't learn their own lessons. Like, if I see a car about to hit one of my friends, I'll jump in front of the car. Like, but that wasn't, you know, that lesson was not for me to learn. Like, everybody has to go through stuff in life to get to their current state, and I can't help everybody. And it's also draining. Like, after a while, it's like you keep putting out all this energy trying to help people that don't want to be helped. So I'll be here if you need my help, but no more giving unsolicited advice, because that's when we start to have problems. My second toxic trait is ignoring my intuition. And ever since I was little, I have had a very strong sense of an intuition. Some people call it a gut feeling. But ever since I was little, I have had weird feelings about certain people. I remember when I was younger, my family was pretty close with this other family, and I really did not like, so it was a husband and wife, and then they had some daughters, and I did not like the husband for some reason. Like, I was like, ooh, wait a second. I actually did a decent job. Wow. I was like, wait a second, like, I do not like the husband for some reason. Like, something about him's just off. And I was like 8 years old. I was like, I do not like this dude. Something's off about him. And then a couple years later, they ended up getting a divorce. And I was like, interesting. Every time I have an intuitive feeling about something, it's always right. And it's crazy because I'll be ignoring my intuition like, can you get off of me?
Leave me alone.
Wait, say that again but faster.
Leave me alone.
Hey.
Leave me alone. Hey, leave me alone.
Hey. Leave me alone. Hey.
Like, I'm just trying to let things play out. Like, please get off me right now. And then she'll just be on my back. She'll be on my neck. She'll be on my neck. I literally had to do this because I don't know what else to talk about while, like, me just talking is kind of redundant. So if you have any ideas about what I could do while I talk, please let me know. So definitely paying more attention to my intuition, because she never fails. My third toxic trait is not taking compliments. I don't know how to take a compliment. I'm really working on it because it's gotta stop. Like, somebody would be like, I love your arm. And I'll be like, oh, this whole thing? Like, like, I'll be like, I love your hair. Oh no, I just threw this together. Please don't compliment me. Number 3 is being too nice. I give 2,000 chances to people, and they really take advantage of that, because I think, like, you should only have to tell somebody something one time, but it sounds like I've been speaking to a brick wall.
I voted. When what people don't understand is I think people thought that because Obama is in the White House, everything is going to be better. There is no flick on switch. There's no switch that says, oh, life is better now, or let me go in and Bush been hiding behind.
Because sometimes, like, when stuff bothers me, I'll, like, make a joke about it, and then people don't take me seriously after that. That could be a possibility. Not sure. And that's a really weird thing to say because everybody thinks I'm mean. And I am really the nicest mean person you'll ever meet if that is true, because being mean is when you're intentionally, I'm about to look up the definition, because I think when you're being mean, it's like something in you that's like, the definition of mean is vicious or aggressive in behavior, unwilling to give or share things, especially money, not generous. I mean, my money is my money is my money, but I'm not greedy. I'm not greedy. Fifth and final toxic trait is always being the bigger person. Like, being the bigger person gets so exhausting.
You can't make me, and I'm not going to preschool either. I'm sick of preschool. I'll do what I want. Do you hear me? Do you?
Alright, I'll be the bigger person again. Like, so predictable. There goes Christian. Being the bigger person again for the 1,000th time. And it's so frustrating. But it works out in the end because I don't have regrets. Like, I really don't have a lot of regrets because I'm always being the bigger person. Like, you know what? I'm just gonna not be a baby. But taking responsibility for yourself is just something that needs to be done, because I'm too old to be, it wasn't my fault. I'll acknowledge my part, or the part I played in the situation. bonus toxic trait, and that's saying no. Like, in the past, it's been a really big problem. I'll like break my back to do something for somebody, even if it stresses me out. But I've been getting better about it. Like, so this is the finished look. I don't know. It's giving 90s pop star, natural glam. So yes, if you made it to the end of this video, please comment sweet potatoes, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.